The river here was about 150, 200 yards across the field, and this house had 11 feet of water in it. The basement was completely flooded up to the ceiling, and then there was 3 feet in the interior part of the house. Baptist Home Mission teams came in and mudded it out, mucked it out, stripped down to the studs upstairs. The lady who owns the home lost her husband a few years ago, so she's a widow, but she's excited. We've got the house re-insulated, drywall's been put up, it's ready to be painted, and got the flooring going down, so we're about to wrap it up, but it's been a good opportunity to serve this family here in this home.